Hello everybody. This is a Dollar Tree haul. Oops, a little bug. Anyway, I want to start out by showing you these little clamps. These are really handy to have when you're sewing in the signatures to your junk journals and many other uses, gluing things and what have you. And I found these already decorated. I thought they were really cute, ready to go. Pop them into the book. Then there's this one. I don't like to burn my fingers when I'm using hot glue, so I thought that would be handy. Then I found these. I've always wanted some of these little squeeze bottles. I'm going to put my Mod Podge in there and be real handy. Or even glue, different glues that don't have good squeezers. Then I found these cute little bottles. You can put whatever you want in, flowers, sand, just anything. Sequins even. And these little spray bottles, I've been wanting one of those again because I want to use it for when I'm doing like napkin removing a certain picture from a napkin. I think it might work good for that. And all of these only cost me $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, and it would cost a whole bunch more at a regular craft store. So check out the Dollar Tree. Bye bye.